I have created a tube here with a gas connection at the end to connect to the bottom of my sight glass that's functioning as a trub and yeast harvester. The end of this is going to connect to a vacuum sealer that I have to use to vacuum out hops, but I'm going to evacuate as much air out of this before I pump CO2 through. So let's check that out. All right, I have a vacuum sealer here. This is going to connect to this, and it's going to suck. This is a clean, sanitized sight glass. I just dumped out some hops. It's going to suck as much air out as I can before I disconnect and then pump CO2 through. So check this out. Like it's sticking to the thing. Plug that, just lost suction. Okay, I'm gonna hook about 5 PSI up to the sight glass after evacuating it of air. This is CO2. Just filled the sight glass. Now I'm gonna seep out the CO2, loosening the clamp. So you start seeing the CO2 flow through. Maybe like 10 seconds or so, you don't need much. All right. Should be as purged as much as possible. Final step is to simply open the ball valve, or butterfly valve, excuse me, and see the stuff fall.